My name is Ben, and the project I completed for the Calvert Virtual Science Fair is titled Altering an Electromagnet. My electromagnet was very simple. It consisted of a 6-inch iron nail, 16 gauge copper wire, and a number of different power sources. The different batteries I used for power sources were one D cell, 1.5 volts, then two D cells put together, 3 volts, and one 9-volt battery. Now, the results I had were very interesting for my trials. The way I trialed was, my first set of trials, I had a pile of 35 paper clips, and I lowered the magnet into the pile of paper clips and saw how many that it picked up and took the average out of 10 trials off of that for each version of the magnet. My second set of trials were, as you can see in the photo, I had a protractor on a sheet of paper and I had a paper clip at the end of the protractor. I would slowly move the magnet along the protractor so I could see the distance between the magnet and the paper clip, and then I recorded the distance it took for the paper clip to be attracted to the magnet. And then I recorded my results, and they were very interesting. With one D cell and 52 coil wraps around the iron core, it was 10 out of 35 average to pick up. 2 D cells, 52 wraps, 13 out of 35 average. And with one 9-volt cell and 52 wraps, only 1 out of 35 paper clips were picked up. And this is due to the amount of current that can flow through the small 9-volt battery, or that my copper wire has too low of a gauge to support 9 volts. Now, and then the distance for attraction set of trials, the 1D cell with 52 wraps had an average of 4 centimeters away. The 2D cells with 52 wraps had an average of 6.5 centimeters away. And the 1 9-volt cell with 52 wraps had an average of 1.2 centimeters away. Again, very weak. And then I manipulated the number of coil wraps around the iron nail. I reduced it to 26 wraps rather than 52. I repeated the trials, and my results go as follows. With 1D cell, 26 wraps, I picked up 3.5 out of 35 paper clips on average. And with 2D cells and 26 wraps, I picked up 6.5 out of 35 as an average. And just with one 9-volt cell and 26 wraps, some 5 out of 10 times I didn't pick up any paper clips at all. So 0.5 out of 35 as an average. Now, I repeated the trials for the distance, and 1D cell with 26 wraps was 2.1 centimeters away before it attracted the paper clip. 2D cells with 26 wraps was 4.4 centimeters away on an average to attract the paper clip, and one 9-volt cell just 0.2 centimeters away, 0.2. Again, very, very weak. And I guess my conclusion would be that when 2D cells are added to the 1D cell, when an extra D cell is added, it strengthens the magnet. But when one 9-volt cell is added, either the current cannot flow through it or my gauge is too small, so it makes the magnet weaker. And I thought this was very interesting, since 9 volts is 3 times as power as the 2D cells. And here's my diagram of an electromagnet, and I made it on the computer myself, and this is my poster board. That is my project for the Calvert Virtual Science Fair.